Let's start by listening carefully to the sound coming from the speaker. Today, we're going to build a fun 3-tone sound program. Open the project you've downloaded. In this program, we use a slider to choose between 3 different tones. When you move the slider to the top, middle, or bottom, the program plays a different sound. Now, look at the yellow circles on the screen. They show different slider positions, and each position makes a different sound. Try changing these numbers and then move the slider again. Listen carefully and notice how the sound changes.